Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to edit, delete custom Safari extensions in macOS 27 or later. Custom Safari extensions let you personalize your browsing experience and add useful features to Safari. However, you may eventually want to remove an extension that you no longer use, no longer need, or simply doesn't work as expected. Thankfully, macOS makes it pretty easy to delete custom Safari extensions on your Mac. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Safari app on your Mac, and then you have to hit the Safari menu located at the upper left corner of the screen. And then you have to choose Safari Extensions option in the drop-down menu. Now ensure that the Extensions tab is selected at the top. Now you have to head over to the extension that you want to get rid of and then hit the delete button. When prompted, make sure to confirm the action by hitting the delete option in a pop-up menu, and that's about it. Keep in mind that it will remove the extension from Safari and the sync devices, and this action can't be undone. Removing extensions you no longer use can help keep Safari organized and prevent unnecessary features from running in the background. If you change your mind later, you can always create or install the extension again and customize Safari to suit your needs, and that's about it. So that's how you can easily get rid of specific Safari extensions in macOS 27 or later. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.